This is Morani from Purva Bardhaman, West Bengal. Today is the 29 video of the series Practice English with Me. I hope you were doing well and practicing spoken English every single day. And if you don't watch my previous video from day 1, please visit my channel and watch from day 1. So friends, if you want to speak in English, you have to grow some good habits in regular way. If you want to speak in English fluently like me, of course I am not fluent, I am not super fluent, but of course I can speak in at least survival English. So if you get fluency level like me, so what to do? So I can say from my experience, when I was a beginner, I couldn't speak one sentences at least. But now I can speak only survival English. So the journey, I can speak one sentence. I couldn't speak one sentences, but now I can speak survival English. This journey, how I improve. First of all, I practice every speaking practice. You have to do speaking practice every day. You can see, you can visit my channel. I practice every day. I share whatever I do, whatever in my mind, what I want to do, what is my goal, what's going on, whatever I am doing, what is my dream, I can speak. So you have to speak. What do you want to? How do you become successful? What is your dream? What is your goal? What is your daily routine? What is going on? So if you practice every day, then you can see slowly you can speak in English. Of course you can't speak in English to one day. You can't get your fluency in overnight, but of course you can improve. Of course now I am also making mistake, like grammatical mistake. I am making a lot of grammatical mistake. I mispronounce vocabulary, and of course I am suffering from lack of vocabulary. But of course I am improving. I am learning still now. So if you want to speak in English, you have to do speaking practice every single day. Because speaking practice is a good habit. You have to do every single day. If you can't speak in English every day, you can't get fluency. So please speak in English. Whatever do you want. Don't think too much. I have to speak like this. I have to speak like this. Please speak alone. Speak with yourself. Because when you are sitting alone, when no one is around you, please speak with yourself. Something you read it, something you watch it or listen it, please explain it. Because no one can judge you. No one can laugh at it because you are alone. So speak with yourself. At least speak aloud. Speak loud every single day. Then you can see after some days, after some months, how your English will improve. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in next video. Till then, tata. Bye bye. Have a nice day.